In this video, I will show you how to add end screens to the end of your YouTube video so that you get a cool little graphic that shows that says watch more and subscribe. So if you like tech tips like this from me, definitely click like and subscribe, where I help businesses and bloggers master the different things that I've found and I had to find out on my own. So I wanted to put it all in one central place so that you can find it so much easier than I did. This is the end of a video I've put up on my travel channel. If you use this template, it makes things super easy and you can brand it because I have 7 different colors available for you. So let's open up our graphic kit. Since my travel channel is all pink, I am in the blush set of the graphics. There are 7 thumbnail different designs, a watermark in the blush, and then here is the blush end screen. Here. So we're going to take this, drag it straight into the video. It opens up this little screen that shows the different media I used. We will close that and you can see it says watch more, subscribe. And right now my video is back here and it looks weird. You can see that I'm talking, but you really can't see me. So what I do is I move this away so I can just see this layer here, and I will resize that to about where I saw it here. There's a couple ways to do this, and this is the way I like to do it. I'll show you another way to add this as well. Do not freeze on me. Of course, when I'm doing a tutorial, oh, there we go. I think that's pretty good, actually. I do cut out a lot when I add it, so you can see there's so much extra space here, but I wanted it to be a little bit tighter on my face. I think I can move this layer over just a little bit more. Okay, there we go. So now when it plays, it'll play right there in the video, and I think it just looks awesome. Another option would be to make this graphic below your end screen. Have fun with it. If you do use these graphics, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Or if you use your own end screens and you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and I'm so excited for you to just kill it on your YouTube channel. In the next video, I'll show you how to add the videos that go up here for the watch more section and subscribe section so that you can actually have those pieces of your video clickable.